Peace Apparel and products celebrate your dedication to fostering inner calm. This brand is yours because you use natural and holistic practices for managing stress and maintaining peace. I Am products are more than just things. They are tangible affirmations that encourage you to build a fulfilling life for yourself, your family, and your community. With I Am Peace affirmation apparel and products, you can support your passion for self-improvement and self-empowerment. Join the movement. Be the change. Start living your best life today and let I Am Peace affirmation apparel and products help you. By the way, 12% of your purchase is donated to winners of the Higher Self Awards. That means your purchase will help Higher Self Awards winners build the health, economic security, and social well-being of Black communities. Visit us at IAmProducts.Store.